Hi guys, Kingsley here, Kingsley Garden Rooms. So we just finished this project. We finished it a couple of weeks ago actually, but we're back now to take some photos and do a video. We're in Barry, South Wales. As we always do, let's throw the drone up first. Let me give you a full run through it so you can see exactly what we've done. And then I'll give you a full tutorial exactly how we built it and what materials and things we've used as we're walking around. 3x4 metre garden room and a 3x3 metre hot tub canopy. There's a massive waiting list on hot tubs at the moment, so obviously there's no hot tub on there yet, but we've prepped it already. Across the whole building we've got a EPDM rubber roof, and we've used black ceilings, soffit fascias all in the front. We've taken the black all underneath here as well. We've got a black ceiling on this, which is plastic. These are actually the first time that we've used these spotlights. So yeah, these are complete black spotlights, these are. And what I've got in my hand is something we're doing quite a lot of recently, which is a smart switch. So you fit this, the customers are carrying this around at the moment, in a lot of cases you fit it on the wall as you walk out the door and you press the button. So what this actually does, if I just show you, so as you come out your house around to light it all up, it's just a smart switch, so it's like a wireless switch. So I just literally click the button and the spotlights come on. So these are run off different switches. You've got the front, obviously all the way across there, which you throw, and then a second one for underneath on the hot tub canopy then. Let me make sure I turn these off now. Something else we've done here, so we poured a concrete base in here, which was as per the hot tub supplier's requests. So we've got 150mm of concrete in here, and then what we've done, we tiled these with a 20mm porcelain. We've actually come down the front as well, so this is brand new grass in here. So we've tiled the whole top in Italian porcelain, and we've brought it down the front of it as well. So when the grass gets cut, the tiling follows down the front. We've got a couple of supports here, which we've cladded in the same material as the garden room, which is basically redwood. So it's like it's just Scandinavian softwood basically. It's a nice, really nice product, a lot cheaper than cedar, and it looks nice to be fair, especially against the black. So we've got the Scandinavian Red Wood across, which is clad in the whole garden room. We've got a 2x1 metre window on here with 2 opening windows. This is aluminium, and again, like I already said, this is finished in black. If you follow me around a second, I just want to show you this as well, what we've done. So obviously we've put guttering on as always, downpipe over there. We have put in we've supplied and fitted the electrical socket as well. So when the hot tub comes, it's ready to just be plugged straight in. And so as soon as they get it, they can plug all this in. We've already done this and signed it all off. So this was all done as per regs, as the hot tub people asked us. So that's done as well. EPDM rubber roof, black softening fascias, and we've got the redwood cladding all the way across the front. It actually goes on both sides as well. Cladding all the way down here, exactly the same material, and then the back, which you've already seen. These are a unit we're using quite a lot recently. They're really popular. If you could just get this whole door in here. So what we've got a double French door with 2 side lights and two top opening windows. So our customers here, Eddie and Jan, wanted the side window so they could see into the hot tub or whatever, but in a lot of cases it sort of saves needing a window as well, because it means you haven't got to open the doors all the time. You've still got your windows open, which I'll show you now. Yeah, if we open these up then, these come back off the hook and eyes. If we come onto the inside now, take the shoes off. Yeah, they've been living in this, well not living in, they've been in this room for a couple of weeks now, so it's really tidy. I don't want to bring any mess in here. So to give you a run through exactly what we've done in here. So we've fitted a grey light wash laminate flooring. We've put skirting boards all the way around, obviously we've plastered and painted as always. We've got brush chrome sockets, all with USB chargers. Our switches, if I just come over this side for me a second, our switches are actually on a dimmer as well. So we've got inside switches, outdoor switches for the outdoor spotlights, indoor spotlights. And they got a dimmer on them, so they can actually adjust the brightness of the lights, obviously. Yeah, so obviously the TV and everything's now been fitted behind. There's a fridge. There's quite a lot happening here still. So they've been waiting weeks. They're waiting for a big corner suite to go in here, but it hasn't turned up yet. And there's going to be a countertop going here as well. Hence these sockets are put exactly right. So the countertop fits directly underneath them. Again, that hasn't turned up either. This has nothing to do with us. We're not fitting this. They do it themselves. We're just explain it. We've also got a consumer unit up here. So like always with our electrical work, we basically stand in here with the customer and we just have a look around and we ask you where you want it. One thing we haven't done before are these radiators basically. So we've got 2 matching radiators either side of the door. The customers were adamant on having these, and to be honest, they look really, really good. So these are actually, they're quite heavy, so we actually had to like change the way the walls actually, so instead of screwing straight to plasterboard, we actually had to reinforce the walls a little bit, all this, because they're reasonably heavy. But these are the great addition we're offering now. So if I just show you these, if anyone's interested in these radiators, let us know, because we can install these now. So mainly what happened is our normal radiators are sort of about 1 metre, like this sort of size, and then they end up taking up wall space. The customers were like adamant that they had these 2 bits of wall that were sort of voided, so they wanted these radiators to fill up these sort of like awkward spaces that no furniture could fit in. So that's another one wrapped up, as I said earlier, in Barry, South Wales. Yeah, so if you could like and subscribe on our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, any of it, and follow us, that'd be real big help. And yeah, if you're after a garden room, get in touch and we'll be glad to have a look at it. Thanks a lot.